Good morning, students. In the special methods of ellipse, oblong method or rectangle method, major axis 120, minor axis 80 mm. First, we want to draw the rectangle. This is major axis of length 120 mm. Minor axis 80 mm. Rectangle or oblong completed. Naming this as A, B, C, D. Locate a midpoint for AB, locate midpoint for AD. Draw perpendicular line to AB. Draw the perpendicular line to AD. You will get another point O. After getting the O, now this is the major axis, this is the minor axis. P, Q, R, S. Now PO, PD are going to be divided into n number of equal parts. That is n equals to 4. 1, 2, 3. So I am naming this 1, 2, 3 by using acute angle. Similarly, in this direction, PD, it is going to be divided into n number of equal parts. N is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am naming this as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Now, it is going to be considerable observation. R1 dash, S1 line is going to be joined. S1 is going to be extended up to R1 dash, it becomes D1. D1. 2 dash R S2, it becomes D2. 3 dash R S3, it becomes D3. You obtain D1, D2, D3 points. Similarly, from Q in this direction and in this direction. So QC divided into 4 number of equal parts, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Similarly, from Q to O, 4 parts, 1 dash, this is 1, 2, 3. R2 3 dash, S3 joined, extend to towards R3 dash. This becomes C1. R2 dash, S2. This becomes C2. R1 dash, then S1 extended. It is going to be meet R1 dash. This becomes C1. Sorry. This is C3, C2, C1. Similarly, Q2B, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Now, S1 dash, R1, B1, S2 dash, R2 line extended up to S2 dash, you will get B2. S3 dash R3, it is B3. Similarly, PA divided into 4 number of equal parts, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Now S1 dash, R1 line extended up to S1 dash, this is A1 in the domain of A. 2 dash S R2, this is A2. 3 dash S R3, R3 extended up to 3 dash S, this is A3. You obtain the consent points. Now all the points are going to be joined. P, D1, D2, D3, R, C3, C2, C1, Q, Q1, B, B1 to B2, B2, B3, B3 to S, S3 to A3, A3 to A2, A2 to A1, A1 P. You obtained an ellipse. How to draw tangent and normal for this curve? Before going to draw the tangent and normal, you have to locate its foci. Half of the major axis is the radius. Half of the major axis is the radius. PO is radius. And R is a center. Minor axis end is a center. So R is a center. We have to draw a point by using a compass on major axis. This RF1 exactly equals to length of PO. Similarly, another point, you will get F1 and F2. F1 and F2. After getting the F1 and F2, then locate a point on the conic, maybe from away from major axis, away from minor axis. So this is considerable length, 30 mm from major axis. Naming this point is going to be M. Now how to join the points M, F1, M, F2, F1, M, F2. Now you are having acute angle M, F1, M, F2 is acute angle. You have to draw for this angle perpendicular bisector is going to be its normal. Draw a perpendicular bisector F1, M and F2. It is going to be a normal. After getting a normal, then passing through M point, draw a perpendicular to it. It is going to be its tangent T1 and T2. If any queries, you can contact me. Thank you.